Hey there, little explorers. Imagine we're on a wild adventure meeting some awesome animals. Now, let's talk about a cool thing they all do, yawning. You know, like when you're super sleepy and open your mouth wide for a big yawn? Well, guess what? These amazing animals do it too, and it's not just sleepy. It's super interesting and cute. Think about a tiger, the stripy big cat. When a tiger yawns, it's not just a yawn. It's like a fierce stretch showing off those sharp teeth. It's like the tiger saying, "Roar, I'm strong, but check out my funny face." Now picture a lion, the king of the jungle. Lions yawn too, and it's not just a regular yawn. It's a royal yawn. With a wide open mouth and a majestic mane, it's like the lion saying, "I'm the king, and even my yawn is regal." Let's hop over to the ostrich, the tall bird that can't fly but runs super fast. When an ostrich yawns, it's like a big beaky stretch. Imagine it saying, "I might not fly, but I can yawn in style." Now dive into the ocean with the sea lion. When a sea lion yawns, it's not just a regular yawn. It's a water dance with flips and splashes. It's like the sea lion saying, "I'm the ocean's coolest dancer." Meet the Komodo dragon, a lizard that's like a real-life dragon. When a Komodo dragon yawns, it's like a scaly stretch. It's saying, "I might not breathe fire, but I sure can yawn with style." Oh, look up in the trees. It's a raccoon. When a raccoon yawns, it's like a masked marble stretch. With its little paws, it's saying, "I might be sneaky, but my yawn is just too cute." Now let's wade into the water with the hippopotamus. When a hippo yawns, it's like a big wide yawn from the water. With its huge mouth, it's saying, "I might be big, but I yawn like a gentle giant." Jump into the forest with a fox, the clever creature. When a fox yawns, it's like a pointy-eared stretch. It's saying, "I'm sly, but my yawn is the cutest." Finally, swing by the jungle with a gorilla, the big, strong friend. When a gorilla yawns, it's like a powerful stretch. It's saying, "I'm mighty, but even mighty gorillas need a good yawn." So, little adventurers, in the animal kingdom, yawning is not just about being tired. It's about being interesting and cute. Each animal has its own way of doing it, making our wild friends even more awesome. Next time you see one of these incredible creatures yawn, remember, it's not just a yawn. It's a little performance, a fascinating moment, and a reminder of how diverse and fantastic our animal friends can be.